Welcome back. In this class, we are going to check whether given password is valid or not. We will have some rules for accepting the password. According to that, we will check whether it is right or wrong. Let us open Python. Program to check whether given password is valid. Password is valid only if one capital letter, one small letter, one digit and one special characters are available and maximum number of characters is 8. When the password is given wrong, it should ask repeatedly until it is correct. Let us accept the password, which is a string pwd I take, then input of enter your password. So it says to ask repeatedly when it is not correct. So I will be using while loop, while true in the beginning, so that it keeps asking again and again. When it is going to stop means we will use the break statement to stop when all these are found. Now it says the maximum number of characters is 8. For that purpose we will check the length and use lesser than that. If len of pwd is lesser than 9 or lesser than or equal to 8, anything we can give, then only it works. Now what we need to check, whether one capital, one small, one digit special characters are there. So for that we need to traverse the string for I in pwd. Now I will check whether it is capital letter. For that we need to have the variables. I will initialize the variables in the beginning as false. So for capital letter uppercase, for lower case, for digit, for special character. So all these are false in the beginning. See there, I should put this inside the loop so that every time it takes new password, it checks for whether everything is newly getting true. Otherwise, if it is outside already turned into true, then it will not work properly. Now I am checking that character whether it is uppercase. For that purpose, if I dot is upper, there is a function so that it checks whether it is uppercase. So when it is alphabet only it checks. So we don't need to check whether it is alphabet and then check whether upper or lower. Directly we just check is upper. Then we say u is equal to true. Similar way, we can use elif ladder for this. Elif I dot is lower of L is equal to true. Elif I dot is digit checks whether it is a digit. Then I make D is equal to true. If it is not a digit, if it is not a alphabet, it is going to be a symbol. So else SC equal to true. When it completes the for loop, if all these characters are available, all this will become true. So we can declare that password is generated. So we come out of the for loop and then even this length condition. If U and L and D and SC. So if all these are true, then print password created successfully. Then we can break, otherwise it will again ask, because this is while true, right? So break, then else we will ask the password again. pwd is equal to input of, this is not the first time, so let us inform not valid password, enter new password. Let us check this. Let me give all small letters, one digit and one special character. First time I am giving, not right ones, to check whether it is repeatedly asking. It is asking, let me give all capital, then one digit, one symbol, no small there, it is asking. Now some capital, some small, digit, no symbol. Capital, small, symbol, no digit. Now capital, small, digit, symbol, but greater than 8. Now let us give the right one. R, S, 7, open bracket, which is lesser than 8 character. It should be rating successfully. Hope this was very clear to you. Keep watching my channel and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.